Hello everybody, today I am going to read the book Lion's Feast. Muthu Mama and his wife Muthu Mami lived in a small house at the edge of the forest. On the other side of the forest was a town with a bustling market. Every Friday, they walked to town to buy groceries. On one such day, when they were returning from the market, roar! A lion suddenly jumped out from behind a tree. "I haven't eaten in a week. I am going to eat you," he bellowed. Muthu Mama and Muthu Mami trembled with fear, but Muthu Mami was quick to think of a plan. What a pity, she stammered. "We were going to offer you hot dosas with spicy sambar and the tastiest, juiciest chutney. But you would rather eat to old skinny people." Thought the lion. "Hot dosas, spicy sambar and the juiciest chutney too. Yum, yum." "Come to our house this evening. It is behind the big banyan tree. We will have a feast waiting for you," said Muthu Mama quickly. The lion agreed, and the old couple ran home as fast as their legs could carry them. At home, Muthu Mama and Muthu Mami immediately set to work. "Gadagum, gadagum," thundered the grinding stones as Muthu Mama ground fresh coconut chilies and dal for the chutney. When the griddle, as Muthu Mami spread a ladle of frothy white batter on it, simmered the spicy sambar. The lion's feast was ready. I am starving after all that work," said Muthu Mama. "Maybe we should taste the sambar and chutney for salt," said Muthu Mami. So they helped themselves to a single dosa with a spoonful of chutney and a ladle's worth of sambar. "Ah, delicious," said Muthu Mama, smacking his lips. "Maybe just one more," said Muthu Mami, licking her finger. Just one more. They ate another dosa with a ladle full of chutney and a bowl full of sambar. When that was done, they just had to eat another and another and another. When "Hide," whispered Muthu Mama as he climbed into a big rice pot. Muthu Mami stuffed herself into the little cupboard just in time. "The lion is coming." The house smelled heavenly. Oh, the aroma of hot dosas with spicy sambar and the tasty, juiciest chutney. "Gurgu, gurgu, gurgu, gurgu," grumbled the lion's empty stomach. He smacked his lips, patted his tummy, and entered the kitchen. "Oh, it's too dangerous." But all that the lion found there was scrap of dosa, a drop of sambar, and a smear of chutney. Muthu Mama and Muthu Mami had eaten his feast. Roared the lion. What's this? I've been tricked. Oh. The lion was furious. He ran from room to room looking for Muthu Mama and Muthu Mami. He sniffed at the big rice pot. Ugh, rice, he said. Ugh. He opened the little cupboard. Oof, mothballs, he said. By now, the lion was hungry, tired, and very upset about being tricked. As he slowly walked back towards the door, Muthu Mama poked his head out of the rice pot. He sighed with relief, but his stomach was so full of dosas, sambar and chutney that he let out a loud burp. In the little cupboard, Muthu Mami heard this. Silly Muthu, she thought and giggled. The lion heard Muthu Mami. If you think the lion deserves his feast, turn the page. Jump! If you don't, well, go on, lock the door before the lion gets out. The end. I hope you loved this book, everyone. Subscribe my channel. Bye.